Hey lovely people, I am Maya and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to share with you all. We will be exploring the incredible world of the Scribble Diffusion tool and how you can transform your drawings into realistic images. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what the Scribble Diffusion tool actually is. It's a technique that utilizes a simple tool, like a pen or pencil, to create realistic shading and texture in your drawing. With just a few steps, you can turn a basic sketch into a stunning, lifelike image. Step 1. Go to the Scribble Diffusion website. You can see this is the Scribble Diffusion website. I have provided the link in the description below. Just click on the link and you will be taken to this website. You don't need to sign up to use this website. You can directly use it. Step 2. Draw your sketch or use an existing drawing stretch to create a realistic image. You can see the existing drawing example on white canvas here. You can use this drawing to create realistic image or you can draw your own drawing. To draw, click on the clear button below the canvas and the existing drawing is erased. Now draw a sketch using a pen tool. I am drawing a house in a jungle. You can draw your own sketch. It doesn't need to be perfect. It is just a basic representation. Step 3. Enter a text prompt to create the realistic image. Once you are done with drawing, you can see the text box here. Just describe what you want your image to look like. I am just using this prompt. Make sure to write detailed prompts to get a better and more realistic image. This will help guide the Scribble Diffusion tool in generating the desired image. Now, click on the Go button and watch as Scribble Diffusion works its magic. It will generate a new image based on your sketch and text prompt. If you scroll down a bit, you can see your image is getting generated. Wow, your realistic image is generated. If you are not happy, you can try changing the prompt or sketch. Step 4. Save your realistic image. If you are happy with the image, simply right-click on it to save it as an image. If you want to share the image with anyone, you can copy the link. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can use the Scribble Diffusion tool to turn your basic sketches into realistic images. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing video tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.